Good morning, everyone. Appreciate everyone coming out this morning. I'd like to recognize CRW and Mr. Trey Chandler for putting this on. Also, GAS, Ms. Sydney Collins, you've done a great job putting this together. Got a good bit of events today. We're going to start out doing a test of the panels that we have to show that our products do not leave a film. Jim, if you could come up here and start the test now. What we're demonstrating here is that our products are different from anyone on the market. We do not leave a film between the angular profile and the primer. Okay, we're going to start in the presentation. If you can go to the first slide. All right, I'm Marlon Lester. I'm the CEO of Corrosion Innovations. We're the manufacturer of the Corr-Ze product line. Our team consists of over 100 years of coding and chemistry experience. Our promise is we will reduce rework, eliminate downtime, and increase efficiency of the protective coatings that are applied in the field. The manner in which that corrosion has been managed hasn't changed in over 75 years. You're still incurring the same problems over and over throughout the industry. I've referred to them down here: contaminated substrates, flash rust, weather, rework. They all impact a trade that, again, they're impacted by this, and it causes significant delays in our projects. Go to the next. Our Corr-Ze 100 is a single-step additive that's incorporated in the blast at ultra-high pressure or wet abrasive. It can also be applied after conventional abrasive. Provides a higher bonding strength, extends coating life without leaving a film on the substrate. As we started there a while ago, you will see that later on. It cleans the substrate, leaving it free of contaminants, prevents flash rust, extending it depending on weather conditions. All products are non-toxic, environmentally friendly, and approved for direct runoff by the EPA and DEQ in the Gulf of Mexico and off the coast of California. Go to the next. Corr-Ze 200 is a two-step process that's applied as an acidic gel, followed by the 100 grams. Removes all flash rust, sulfides, soluble salts, chlorides to non-detectable levels. There's no product on the market that can achieve this. It leaves the substrate in a clean and passive state by providing a higher bonding strength and extending coating life. You'll see this in a demonstration in this picture to the left. This is what the substrate looks like after it flashed rust. This is what happens after Corr-Ze 200 has been applied. Inclement weather no longer stops your coating projects for these products. Again, the same thing. All of our products are environmentally friendly. They reduce rework, downtime, all of that. And they have a great impact on supply of overruns, aggregate consumption, and paint and material waste. Improving the process. This is a step change to the bottom line. Normal practice is to blast and coat. A lot of the people that go out and blast and coat the same day. There's permitting things that go on during the day that's going to impact the bottom line. If you're able to control that work and manage it, and the weather is no longer an impact, it creates great efficiency. You can plan work that normally couldn't be planned. Today we're expecting rain. We've got the demo set up for expecting rain. If you were blasting today and you lost that blast due to rain, you would have to do rework to bring it back. What our products do is we eliminate that step. Blasting alone fails to remove soluble salts. Soluble salts are one of the main reasons for coating failures. We're going to remove all the contaminants with our products. Unprotected steel must be reblasted after impact. Cannot paint over flash rust. You see the project duration total improvement, we've got a 40% reduction there. What we're getting at with that is in a time frame of 365 days, if you can achieve, let's say 10 to 20 days where you can reduce that downtime, you get that reduction. We can take any one of these aspects of this and reduce your bottom line. Gonna go through it again: contamination, rework, weather, efficiency, cutting cost, and environmentally friendly. Got a short product video we're gonna go into. It won't last long, and then we'll open it up to Q&A.
Corrosion is a problem to every metallic structure in every corner of the world. Operators currently remove corrosion, then immediately apply protective coatings. Even when using coatings approved and specified for a specific surface, non-visible soluble salt will normally contaminate the substrate. This contamination shortens the coating surface life due to permeation of moisture that causes formation of corrosion cells on the substrate. Soluble salts are the #1 cause of coating failures, and remediating corrosion is a costly process. That's why Corrosion Innovations developed a solution that reduces the levels of soluble salts in order to maximize the surface life of protective coatings. Introducing the Corr-Ze line of surface preparation products from Corrosion Innovations. Corr-Ze eliminates surface contaminants and allows ample time to apply protective coatings. These innovative products increase adhesion strength and the service life of coating systems. To use Corr-Ze 100, workers incorporate it into the blast stream of UHP or ultra-high pressure water, wet abrasive, or apply it after using conventional dry abrasive systems. This method allows you to clean the substrate with high pressure water or aggregate and apply the Corr-Ze 100 product simultaneously. This leaves the substrate free of contaminants and flash rust for an extended period of time, depending on environmental conditions. Workers apply Corr-Ze 200 to substrates in which the corrosion process has already begun. Corr-Ze 200 cleans the substrate as an acidic gel. Corr-Ze 200 allows contractors and facility owners the flexibility to blast for several days, minimizing the control of work permit process and transition time between work phases of the blast, cleanup, inspection, and coating application process. A subsequent Corr-Ze 100 rinse leaves the substrate in a passive state, free from corrosion until a protective coating can be applied. Laboratory testing proves the combination of Corr-Ze 200 and Corr-Ze 100 as a system is a superior salt remover in any environment. When your blast is lost to rain or storm evacuation, there is no need to reblast, saving companies significant unnecessary expenditure. By eliminating soluble salt contamination, Corr-Ze ensures that coating systems will have higher bonding strength and longer service life. Corr-Ze has an immediate impact at the project level by eliminating extra work, such as having to reblast due to flash rust. Unlike other corrosion solutions, the Corr-Ze line of products removes contaminants without leaving a film. Corr-Ze allows you to reduce both costs and asset downtime. We are proud that all of our easy-to-use products are biodegradable, non-toxic, non-flammable, water-based, and fast-dry. Our products are not inhibitors or film formers and will improve adhesion of the coating system. Clean substrates are vital for protective coatings, fireproofing, thermal spray, immersion, and submersion applications. Let the experts at Corrosion Innovations help. We can consult with you in the planning stages of any future project. Get the absolute best in surface preparation. Specify Corr-Ze from Corrosion Innovations.
Okay, I know we covered a lot in a short period of time with this and went through the video. Offshore, inland, anywhere, you know, the cycle that we're talking about, the flash rust, all of that, is something that can't be managed. What we're wanting to work with everybody on is how to manage that. If you're blasting for consecutive days and you're in one permit, one phase, it allows the workers that are out there not to have fatigue before they do the most critical part, the coating application, where they have to do it to spec and it has to be uniform. So what we're saying here is there's multiple ways to do this. You can incorporate Corr-Ze 100 into the UHP stream if you're in a blast and coat traditional process, and it will last for a couple of days. But if you want to blast an entire structure, say a tank or something like that, you can blast the entire substrate. Let it flash rust, it doesn't matter. You come back and apply the Corr-Ze 100, the 200 followed by the 100, and you remove all contaminants from that substrate. It's the things that you can't see is what hurts the coatings, the longevity of the coatings. Adhesion, things like that, all of the factors that go into that. So I'm going to turn it over. Are there any questions that anybody like to field at this time about what they've heard? How long can you let it?